How to read a graph in SourceMogul. This, if anything, is the fundamental tool in ensuring your success as an online arbitrageur. If you can read a graph, well, you can sell on Amazon. And here's how it's done.
The green line indicates a product sales rank. A sales rank indicates how popular it is in that particular category. Keep in mind that its rank isn't always proportionate to how well it sells. Quick tip, don't be put off if something has a high sales rank between 5,000 to 100,000. This does not mean that it will not sell. There is something for everyone. The blue line is the price that Amazon is currently selling that particular product for. The grey line, the price that most suppliers sell that same product for. In most cases, you'll see that the grey line falls below the blue line, which is a good thing because that means there's a profit to be made. Each time the sales rank, the green line, has a sharp downward trajectory, that means a sale has been made. A product with lots of highs and lows indicates a popular product that's been consistently sold. A product with very little movement will more than likely take a long time to sell.
Well, there we have it. How to read a graph on SourceMogul.